students, myself Nita Mote, and I am going to take your paper BO 342, that is biodiversity. In our regular lecture we will study about the introduction of biodiversity, definition of biodiversity, concept of biodiversity, aim and objective of biodiversity, scope and value of biodiversity. Now we are going to start chapter number 2, that is characterization of biodiversity. So in today's lecture we are going to learn about the introduction of biodiversity, that is the introduction of characterization of biodiversity, need of for characterization, various discipline of biodiversity, that is genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity and ecosystem. Then next one, concept of endemism and phytogeography. So characterization, in characterization it deals with the identification of various morphological character, and on the basis of these various feature we can characterize the plant into the different group and into the different family. Characterization म्हणजे आपण काय सांगतो, it is nothing but the identification of various morphological character or various features of plant, and on the basis of that we can classify the plant into the particular family, into the particular group. So for the classification we need the characterization. So characterization is mainly divided into the two process. There are two different process of characterization. First one is observation and second one is characterization. ज्यावेळेस आपण कॅरेक्टरायझेशन बघतोय, कॅरेक्टरायझेशन करताना दोन प्रोसेस असतात. पहिले तर आपल्याला ऑब्झर्वेशन करायचं आहे, दुसरं आहे कॅरेक्टरायझेशन. नाउ द ऑब्झर्वेशन मीन्स व्हॉट, whenever we come across the different species we can observe the different character, like habit of that plant, like it may be tree, it may be shrub, herb, or we can discuss various type of morphological character, like character of stem or character of leaf or character of inflorescence, or we can observe the different type of flower, and on the basis of that we can characterize the plant into the particular group or into the particular species. ज्यावेळेस आपण कॅरेक्टरायझेशन बघतोय, कॅरेक्टरायझेशन करताना आपण काय करतोय तिथे की ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे आणि कॅरेक्टरायझेशन आहे. ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे म्हणजे आपण काय सांगतोय, ज्यावेळेस आपण ऑब्झर्वेशन पाहतोय, ऑब्झर्वेशन करताना आपण काय करतोय की हॅबिट ऑब्झर्व करतोय, मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर ऑब्झर्व करतोय आपण. हाऊ मेनी इन्फ्लोरेसेन्स, हाऊ मेनी फ्लावर्स आर प्रेझेंट, स्टेम स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे, फ्लावर्समध्ये किती पेटल्स आहेत, फ्लावर्समध्ये किती स्टॅमिन आहे, हे आपण ऑब्झर्व करतोय. आणि ऑब्झर्वेशन झाल्यानंतर आपण काय करतोय की तो जो काही ग्रुप आहे, तो जो काही प्लांट आहे त्याला पर्टिक्युलर स्पेसिस किंवा पर्टिक्युलर ग्रुपमध्ये आपण कॅरेक्टराइज करतो. अजून आपण कॅरेक्टरायझेशनमध्ये आपण काय सांगतोय की ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इकोसिस्टीम, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इकोसिस्टीमसुद्धा आपण काय करतोय, कॅरेक्टरायझेशन करतोय. आता ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इकोसिस्टीम म्हणजे आपण काय सांगतो, देर आर डिफरंट टाईप ऑफ इकोसिस्टीम आर प्रेझेंट, अँड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस देर आर डिफरंट मॉर्फोलॉजिकल plant or morphological variation are seen into that particular species. So on the basis of that we can characterize the plant into the different group. Then similarly there is a quantification is also involved. Now the quantification means what, quantification करतोय म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय, it also involve the quantification means whenever we observe the character. For example, observe the flower, when we observe the flower we can classify or we can quantify the flower, number of flowers or number of calyx, number of petals. हे जे काय आहे त्याला आपण म्हणतो क्वांटिफिकेशन, मीन्स इनटू द नंबर. सो क्वांटिफिकेशन मीन्स ज्यावेळेस आपण एखादा नंबरिंगमध्ये आपण काय करतोय, ज्यावेळेस आपण त्याला क्लासिफाय करतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो, किंवा आपण काय सांगतो Also we can observe the, or we can distinguish the height of plant or number of leaves or number of flowers. Also we can find out some similarity in morphological. आपण ह्या सोबत काय करतोय, काही मॉर्फोलॉजिकल सिमिलॅरिटी सुद्धा आपल्याला त्यामध्ये दिसतात. अँड we can classify, and on the basis of that we can classify that particular plant into the particular group. So this is why the characterization is essential. Now next one is discipline of biodiversity. Now in discipline there are three types: species diversity, genetic diversity and ecosystem diversity. Now first one is species diversity. In species diversity, as we all know that there is a variation in species diversity, and there is different morphological species are present into the particular area. आपण काय सांगतोय की एखाद्या पर्टिक्युलर एरियामध्ये आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या स्पेसीस ह्या दिसतात. इट इज द बायोडायव्हर्सिटी ॲट द मोस्ट बेसिक लेवल. इट इज द बेसिक लेवल बायोडायव्हर्सिटी. Various species are present into the particular area, and the species show some distinguished character, and on the basis of that these species can classify. It is also the diversity or variation among the species, or number of species occur within the particular area. It is the basic level. Then there is a n number of species are distributed into the area. Basic level आहे. N number of species means various species are present into that particular area. It may be different in their geomorphological character, or it may be different because of ecosystem or because of different ecosystem. Then no two individual of the same species are exactly similar. It include the two individual. आपण त्यामध्ये बघतोय की ज्यावेळेस पण आपण मॉर्फोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर बघतो त्यावेळेस आपल्याला एक्झॅक्ट सिमिलॅरिटी दिसत नाही. देर इज अ डिफरन्स और देर इज अ व्हेरिएशन इन देअर स्टेम स्ट्रक्चर और स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर और कलर ऑफ फ्लावर. सो देर इज सम dissimilarity. They are not exactly similar, and because of this the species diversity are distributed or occurs. For example, humans show a lot of diversity among themselves. So this is about the species diversity. Now the next one is genetic diversity. Now genetic diversity, it refer to the variation among the genetic resources of the organism. Genetic resources किंवा genetic आपल्याला काय दिसते, dissimilarity किंवा variation दिसते because of presence of gene. So gene are responsible for variation and modification. Gene are responsible for different character. It introduce the morphological character or genetic character, and because of this there are genetic variation as seen among the organism. So we can observe the two species at the different locality. When we can observe the two species at different locality, these species are not similar. This shows the variation because of environmental condition or because of their metabolic activity. These species are different. Then next there is also the variation among the human being. आपण आपल्या जे काही सांगतोय की इन आवर फॅमिली मध्ये सुद्धा आपल्याला व्हेरिएशन दिसतो. व्हेरिएशन म्हणजे काय, the offspring belong to the same parents also shows the variation because of genes. So there is dissimilarity or variation because of presence of gene is known as genetic variation. It is also similar into the plant. And last one आपण यामध्ये बघतोय ecosystem diversity. Now we all know that there are different type of ecosystems are present. Terrestrial ecosystem is present, aquatic ecosystem is present. In aquatic, freshwater ecosystem, marine water ecosystem. So this ecosystem is shows the variation because of their different environmental condition or different geographical condition. They grow the different species. आपण जर ॲक्वॅटिक स्पेसिसमध्ये किंवा ॲक्वॅटिक इकोसिस्टीम जर आपण बघितली, ॲक्वॅटिक इकोसिस्टीममध्ये फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टीम वेगळी आहे आणि मराईन वॉटर इकोसिस्टीम वेगळी आहे. फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टीम आपण त्यामध्ये काय सांगतोय की जे काही फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टीम आहे, ही फ्रेश वॉटर इकोसिस्टीममधल्या स्पेसिस वेगळ्या असतील बिकॉज ऑफ their soil or their water content or environmental or temperature, while the species which is belong to the marine diversity or marine ecosystem, these are also the shows the variation. or ecosystem मध्ये आपण काय सांगतोय, this ecosystem is the nothing but the collection of living and non living organism. They are interact with each other. It is not only related with plant, it is also related with the non living things. So ecosystem means it is the combination or interaction of living and non living organism. It is the interaction of living organism, that is the animal and plants, and non living things, that is the soil, water, temperature, air. These two things are interact with each other and create the new ecosystem. Now the ecological biodiversity refers to the variation in plant and animal. These species are related to each other by the food chain and the food web. So whenever we observe the aquatic ecosystem or terrestrial ecosystem, the animal which is belong or the plant which is belong to that ecosystem, it is also connected to the food web. It is connected to the different type of insects. It connected of the different types of animal, or this animal or insect depend on that plant, so it create the food web and food chain. So this is about the ecosystem. So in today's lecture we will discuss about the characterization of biodiversity. इंट्रोडक्शन आपण बघितलं याच्यामध्ये, नीड ऑफ कॅरेक्टरायझेशन, देन डिसिप्लिन ऑफ बायोडायव्हर्सिटी और डिसिप्लिन आपण त्यामध्ये बघितले स्पेसिस डायव्हर्सिटी, इकोसिस्टम डायव्हर्सिटी अँड जेनेटिक डायव्हर्सिटी. सो दिस इज अबाउट टुडेज लेक्चर. थँक यू.